plot of velocity versus time go 5. Yeah, here. Just keep it simple. Oops, I need one more. And we will go to okay, so given this velocity versus time graph for some object moving in a straight line on a horizontal surface, we're going to figure out the work done on the object for each of these 5-second time intervals. So in other words, during each of these 5-second time intervals, some constant force acts on our object, causing perhaps the velocity to change as indicated. But during the next 5-second interval, it's a completely different force, maybe, causing the velocity to change differently. So we're just concerned with each 5-second interval where the velocity, where the force is constant, acting on our object, causing its velocity to change as given, or not change, whatever the case may be. So and let's make it, what should we make it? 10 kilogram block? Okay, so find the work done on the block by an external force. So first time interval, 0 to 5 seconds. We have to get to the last time interval before time runs out, because that's the most interesting one. Can't leave you hanging. Got to get through there. So the first one, what do you think? What's the work done? 0, right? Because the velocity doesn't change. Work equals change in kinetic energy. So the work done has to be 0. Okay, we good? First time interval, we've got it. Second time interval. These are meters per second. And this is seconds over here. What do we get? 16 minus 4, 12. 60 joules. Positive work is done on the block because its speed increased, right? So far, so good? Okay, next time interval. What's V final? 0. V initial was what, 4? What do we get? Negative 80. So the speed decreased, right? The speed decreased. The work done on the block by the external force was negative. Okay? 15 to 20 seconds. 0. It starts and ends at the same speed, right? No change in kinetic energy, no work done on the block. (20 to 25 seconds). What's V final? Negative 2. What's V initial? So what do we get? Positive. Is that right? Its speed increased, right? It's going faster at the end of that time interval than it was at the beginning of the time interval. It's going in the opposite direction as it was earlier, right? It's going in the negative direction, but we don't care about that. We care about speed for kinetic energy. It's going faster now than it was when the time interval started, so positive work was done on it. Its kinetic energy increased. Okay? Between 25 and 30 seconds. 0 work done. Right? Because V initial equals V final, right? 30 to 35 seconds. 0.